Hello everyone. Basically, this is my final project. I developed a car rental company called Cars.com, and here's the short description about our company. And if you are a new user to the website, then you can click the register to become a user. For example, I want to call ZZZ, and the email address and driver license and birthday and phone and password. And then you will sign up to become a member. After you become a member, you will have many choices of car. For example, I want to rent this BMW 5 Series, and you can click rent. Then you need to log in again. And here's the rent, and here's the pickup date. For example, we want to pick up on December 18, 6:30, and you can click OK, and we want to drop off at December 31 at 6:30 as well. OK, and you can click rent, and now you successfully rent the car. And because we're not a real company, so we don't have any um, payment website that's the paid button direct to, but we do can edit the time. For example, we want to change the pickup time to this and change the job of day as well, and re and rebook the car. So if you don't want the car, you can cancel it to delete it. So if you are administrator of this website, you will have your own username called admin. One difference here is the administrator they can see all booking records. Here's the booking records that we have right now, and basically the button here are the same, but this one has another information. If we click the name, then we can see the driver license number, the birthday, and the cell phone. Basically, the personal information of the customer. Basically, this is my final project. Thank you for watching.